Hindi pa nakakarating ng pupuntahan, lobat na.
Ayaw, di ma!
Finally here! Snoopy World! Biglang nagising ang ulirat nung nandito na kami. Go get inside na dali! Go inside! Oh, slowly! Wait for us! Sit down, Tana! You take a picture. Ito.
Picture ka ng tanong kayo noon. Sino ba yan?
Hindi ko kilala.
Dito.
Sit down na, sit down.
Ay, nanay.
Okay, let's go na. Go na to sa school bus, dali. Thank you.
Sino ang pinaka dyan ka, no?
Grabe sa bagal ah. Row, row, row your boat. Dan, look at here. Look at Nanay. Ah! Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Merrily, merrily, merrily. That's si Daddy, oh. Daddy is over there. Look at Daddy, no? Daddy's there. Hi! Ooh, what is that, Dan? It's an airplane, isn't it? Tunnel? We're going in the tunnel. P? Are you sure? You're very happy? Not scared at all? No climbing. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I can see. It's an airplane. Oh, wow. That's right. What is that? Tanya, look at here. Look this camera. What's that?
It's an airplane. It's a red airplane.
Wow. Who is that? That's Snoopy.
That's Snoopy.
Yeah,